Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a foundation review for you all. I have the new Essence foundation sticks. So I have the shades 220 and 230. I'm just gonna swatch both of them on the skin just so you can see what they look like. So I'm gonna start with 220. That is 220, and it is described as having a rosy undertone. And then 230, there's 230. 230 is described as having a neutral undertone. So I'm just going to blend both of them out. Giving me a cast. Yeah, looks like 230 is the better match for me, which is the one that I've been using the entire time. I bought two shades online because I wasn't sure which one I would be. I'm going to be using shade 230. So I have had this foundation for about 2 weeks, and I have been wearing it to work that entire time. Okay, so this is what it looks like blended out. Very nice natural finish. On camera it looks ashy. I don't know why. But in real life it looks fine. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest of my face and then I will be back with final thoughts. Okay girls, so I'm back with a completed look and this is how it's looking. Very nice, very natural. Let me read the claims for you first. It says it is a lightweight, buildable and skin caring texture for an even natural complexion, and they're not lying because the complexion is looking very natural. If it wasn't for the blush, for the bronzer and for the under eye highlight, it would be giving absolute complete skin. Okay, remember I'm wearing the shade 230. When I was applying it, it looked ashy on camera, but right now it looks fine. Getting into my thoughts about this foundation, I really like it. I was wearing it to work for the past almost 2 weeks and it wore really well. It did not crease in my smile lines, which is absolutely fantastic. Like, that is great because my smile lines crease a ton. But I do not like the fact that it does transfer. How did I see that it transfers? So the first day when I was wearing it, I had a scarf all the way up to my chin because I was freezing, right? So while I was checking in throughout the day, because you know, new foundation, wear test and stuff, I could see that the foundation had worn off a little bit on my chin. But I just took the mini foundation brush that I have in my bag and I just blended it and it was completely fine. So when you're wearing it, when you're going to wear this foundation, just make sure that your clothes don't go all the way up to your jawline, you know, just to avoid the transfer. But I can forgive the transferring because, like I said, it does not crease in my smile lines. Okay, so I can forgive all of that, and it looks absolutely really natural and it wears really well. And I honestly cannot wait to test it out in the high summer heat, and hopefully it does wear well because it's a really nice foundation. Like, if it does pass the hot or the high heat wear test in the summer, it's gonna make one my top 5 favorite foundations, like, because it looks natural and it doesn't crease. So I cannot wait to test it out in the summertime. I absolutely love it. For now, it's really nice. Like, the proof is in the pudding. We all can see. Very lightweight. I can't even feel I have makeup on. I cannot recommend this enough, okay? Go and get it. I honestly think this is the best affordable foundation of 2025. I would recommend it for beginners especially, because it is really nice and creamy and it doesn't dry down immediately. so you have time to like blend it in and work it in and fix your mistakes. If you have made a little mistake, it gives you time to work with it, and it looks ultra super natural. You know, when you're just starting into makeup, you don't want to look, you know, made up just yet. You know, you just want to dip your toes in. Highly recommended. So that is the review and my thoughts on this Essence foundation stick. If you have tried this foundation, let me know in the comments. If you want to try this foundation, also let me know. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more content, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care. Bye.